What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we have a gorgeous day out here. We have the CT4-V, and this is going to be a quick video on how to change the battery in your CT4-V, CT5-V, CT4, CT5 key. And I just changed mine recently. All right, guys. So as you can see, we have our key here. Oh, look at that paint matched red in the sun as well. This paint match is the exact same color that's on my calipers. So if you do get a Cadillac CT4-V or CT5-V, they will match this color to your calipers. So if it's gold or blue, they will match this color. That's a quick tip. But back into the video. So as you guys can see, there's this little chrome part here along the bottom, and you can release that by pressing this button in. So you want to press that button and pull that part out. And if you ever get locked out of your vehicle or your battery's dead in your key, you're going to need to take this part out to get into your door or into your car. So you want to take this part here, and as you can see here, there's that little slot. That might be hard to see on camera, but there's that little slot right in there, and you're basically going to want to insert it right in there like that. And what this is going to do is it's going to pop up. As you can see, the V, that outside frame, is starting to pop up. So you kind of want to put it in and force it up. And as you can see, it is popped. Now you're going to want to get a flathead screwdriver or a terminal driver, and you're pretty much going to want to just force it up lightly. Should pop right out. So as you can see, under this cover is going to be your cell battery. So these ones that go in the CT4-V, CT5-V keys are CR2450s. So if you are looking to replace yours, that's the number you're going to be looking for. It's hard to see because of the glare. There you go. And then to pop this out again, you can use just a flathead screwdriver. Obviously, I have taken mine out. This is a new one, but just to pop it out, you're just going to want to basically take your flathead, pry it up, and you can see it's coming out there, and then you have it out and just exchange, and that is pretty much it. So the slot you're going to want to put that manual key into is right there. As you can see, it's right under your V logo and on the top, but it is that one right there. If you guys couldn't see because of the glare in the other clip. All right, guys, so that will be it for the battery replacement on your CT4-V or CT5-V keys. Obviously, it takes no time. It is, without seeing a video or without knowing how to do it, you'll never figure it out just to pop this cover off. But if you guys did enjoy the video, drop a like. Also comment down below on, first of all, what you think of how these keys look, because there's no other key in the sports car game that looks as nice as these. So if you guys are enjoying these videos, please drop a like. Also comment down below on if you've changed your key or this has helped you. Please let us know. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.